this is how you make a raven in 1 minute, or maybe more. I don't know.
He doesn't know, but I don't either. So we'll see. Children. So I'm here today with the Penny children, and they are. Who are you guys?
I don't know.
The Penny children.
No,
Okay.
you. No, you foul beast.
Oh, we never.
They're savages, that's for sure.
Savage children on the run. Savage children on the run. Name it Savage Children on the Run.
Maybe that's what they are.
Savage children on the run. We're gonna kill you and
Whoa.
eat you.
It's becoming very, very crazy here with you kids, you know.
I want to eat them. Oh, I want to eat them, Uncle Iver.
Alright. We'll set up some sort of cannibalistic thing for you crazies.
Oh, yay. Thank you. Crazy psychos on the loose. That's us.
Yes, it is.
Hopefully no one calls the police.
Hopefully no one calls the police. What? Because you guys are crazy?
Yeah.
Don't worry, we're not actually playing crazy. Please don't call the police.